Hi all, very happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to every viewer who is watching this video. Very interesting class and must and should attend the class for all the bank exam aspirants. Especially we are keeping in mind the IBPS PO exam which is coming up. IBPS PO examination, right? As most of you know, in case if you have not seen the IBPS PO notification related update, kindly go ahead and watch it in ACE online class. We kept a video in IBPS PO notification. We have got a tremendous response. After we kept that video, this IBPS PO notification video talks about the complete information with respect to IBPS PO. What are the information? What is the eligibility criteria? What is the age criteria? What is the relaxation criteria? How many stages of interviews are there? What is there any sectional cutoff? Is there any overall cutoff? What is the syllabus that comes in quantitative aptitude? What is the syllabus that comes in reasoning? What is the syllabus that comes in verbal ability? Most comprehensive notification related information is given in our channel. This was the previous video we did it. Now, after I kept this video, most of the students asked me about the exam strategy. Exam strategy. Sir, as you said that arithmetic is the most important topic. Arithmetic is the most important topic. Simplification and approximation is the most important topic. These are some of the very important topics keeping in mind IBPS PO. Arithmetic, the next one is simplification and approximation. Simplification and approximation. And the another important topic is mensuration related questions also will come. Mensuration related questions will come. Some basic questions from algebra will also come. So, sir, how we should attempt the paper? Learning all the concepts is one step in the preparation, but writing the examination using smart approaches is another as important input as the exam preparation. So in today's class, what am I going to do is write strategies to clear the cutoff by taking some questions which are purely based on examination perspective. Strategies. Listen carefully to each and every statement of mine. These strategies. What is the first strategy that I am going to use? The first strategy is, whenever the paper is given to me, first I will scan the paper. First I will scan the entire paper. I will go through the entire paper. I will not start directly with question number 1. I will first go through, for 1 minute, I will go through the complexity of the paper. Which all questions are easy? What are the kinds of questions are given? I will scan the paper. There are a lot of times where easy questions are there at the end of the paper. There may be difficult questions at the beginning of the paper. The first and foremost thing is, I will scan the entire paper. I will scan the entire paper. The second thing is, I will start with the easy topics and your comfortable topics. In case if you consider yourself very good in number system, you will see what are the kinds of questions are there. You will start attempting the questions only based on easy and comfortable. Attempt the questions which are easy and comfortable for you. Easy and comfortable for you might be difficult for me. On what basis you will do easy and comfortable questions? The questions which takes less time to solve, the questions which takes less time to solve and less steps to solve. Less time to solve and less number of steps to solve. That will be the questions we will attempt. You will never win over the problem. You will never do anything to satisfy your ego. You will do everything to ensure that you clear the cutoff. What is the main important thing? You need to clear the cutoff. This is the end goal. This is the end goal. You need to clear the cutoff. You need to clear the cutoff. We will do everything to clear these cutoff. What is the first most important thing? I will also attempt these questions in that serial order. Strategy sessions are an extremely important session which will help you to build an algorithm to clear the cutoff. Do remember, my dear friends, it is not in playing cricket. You need to know the difference between one-day match, test match and T20. For me, as a teacher here, it is very important for me to not only teach the concepts, but also to tell you that this kind of questions you should not attempt at the beginning. I am like that Gary Kiston to an Indian cricket team. With a little bit of tweaking, little bit of choreography, you will be able to succeed it. Third most important point. Whenever you are reading the questions, you will also read the answer options. Eliminating the answer option is an extremely important process. Read the answer options also. Not only read the questions, but also read the answer options. Third option, it is clear 4. 3. Point number 4. Always start with questions which are singular in line or maximum 2 in lines, unless and until it is difficult for you. Start solving the questions which are singular in line or maximum 2 lines. These are the questions which can be easily interpreted. These are the 4 important strategy inputs that you will keep it in mind whenever you are solving the question. What is the first strategy? You will scan the entire paper, right from first question to the last question. Each and every question you will see it. It is a cardinal sin if you come out of the examination hall without even knowing what are the questions that are left at the end of the paper. You will start attempting the questions which are easy and comfortable for you. Any question is said to be easy if you take less time to solve and less number of steps to solve. Whenever you are reading the question, you will also keep an eye on the answer options. Avoid solving the questions which are more of an RC type. The length of the question, it is more. Understanding the question itself will take a lot of time. These are some of the inputs that you will keep it in mind. So what we will do is, we will try to take some questions and we will try to, from arithmetic, from simplification, from mensuration, from algebra. These are the right topics that will keep it in concentration. Please remember, idea is to help you out with a strategy of how to solve the paper. These are the 4 things. Now see here. Let me tell you as if the paper is in front of me. The questions are there in front of me. Now the timer starts. First line is 4 lines, next is 2 lines. Okay, I will start attempting the questions which are 2 lines. Here also it is 2 lines. First I will circle mark which I think it is easy. Again it is a single line. This is 2 lines. Right, these 3 lines. First me identifying the questions. All are 3 lines. This is a single line. Again it is a single line. Right? Again it is a 2 lines. For me, these are the questions. We will not solve the entire paper just by looking at the questions. This is how I'll attempt the paper. These are single lines. Whenever I am explaining a problem, I'll also give you the shortcut and the other concepts related to the problem. All are 2 lines, 3 lines, 2 lines, 3 lines, 2 lines, 3 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines, 3 lines, 2 lines, 3 lines, 2 lines, 3 lines, 2 lines, 3 lines. This is a single line. Again, single liners are there. This is a single line, and this is also a single line. This seems to be a complex question because the numerical values are little more. 3780. These are all larger values. These are all larger values. First 1 minute, what I did, I just have to go through these questions. I underlined the questions which I think are length of the question is very less. Now remember, every question, when I am solving that question, I will also teach you that concept. Now 50th question, see here. Question is, set of all perfect numbers and twin prime numbers among the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 50th question. There is a number which is, set of numbers are given. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need a set which is formed from a perfect number as well as a twin prime number. Perfect number and a twin prime number. In case if you know the concept of perfect number, this is a 5 seconds problem. Perfect number. Now, first I will write down the concept with respect to a perfect number. Perfect number. Perfect. What do you mean by a perfect number? If the sum of the factors, for a number, if the sum of the factors for a number divided by the number, if the sum of the factors for the number divided by the number, if it is 2, then the number is said to be a perfect number. I am writing the concept here. Then the number is said to be a perfect number. Are you all with me? Sum of the factors for the number divided by the number. If the sum of the factors for the number divided by the number, if I get 2, then the number is called a perfect number. Then the number is called a perfect number. Example, suppose if I take 6, pure conceptual question. If I take a number 6, what are the factors for 6? Factors for 6 will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors for 6 will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Sum of the factors by the number itself. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 divided by 6. 12 by 6, answer is 2. 12 by 6, answer is 2. So all the perfect squares, all the perfect numbers, whatever that are formed till now, all the perfect numbers always ends with 6 or 8. Till now, whatever the perfect numbers that are formed, they all end with 6 or 8. In case if you know the definition of a perfect number, this question is very, very easy to you. What do you mean by a perfect square? Sum of the factors by the number, it is always 2. N is a perfect number. Perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. Another important point. Any perfect number, when I am solving a problem, I am also explaining you the concept. Any perfect number is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Any perfect number is always of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. What is p here? P is a prime number. This is the form of the perfect number. Every perfect number will be of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. The number inside, it should be a prime number. 2 power p minus 1 should be a prime number. So, sir, instead of taking all the values, what is the form of a prime number? Even number is of the form 2k, odd number is of the form 2k plus or minus 1. Perfect number is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Suppose if I take p equivalent to 2, this will become 2 power 1 into 2 square minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 is a perfect number. If p is 3, this will become 3 minus 1, 2 into 2 cube minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 4s are 28. Another perfect number is P is 28. If I take P value 5, this will become 2 power 4 into 2 power 5 minus 1. 32 minus 1, 31. 31 into 16, 496. It is also another perfect number. Another perfect number. If you know this concept, you can use directly these concept. Perfect number. Perfect number. What is the definition of a perfect number? Sum of the factors for the number by the number, it is equivalent to sum of the factors for number by n, it is equivalent to 2. What is the classical example of a perfect number? 6. We checked whether Sn by n, it is 2. Perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. Any perfect number will be of this form. Any perfect number will be of this form. Then P should be a prime number. Now, if you know this concept, if you know this concept, this question can be solved very easily. Now see here. I hope this concept it is clear. Concept it is clear. Let us see the question. Let us see the question. If you know this concept, that is the reason your conceptual understanding should be very good. Set of all perfect numbers. Set of all perfect numbers. That means answer should contain 6. Answer should contain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer should contain 6. 6 is an example of a perfect number. 6 is not present here. 6 is not present here. 6 is not present here. So answer for this question is 3, 5, 6, 7. Answer for this question is 3, 5, 6, 7. What are twin primes? Twin primes are the prime numbers with a difference of 2. 3, 5, difference is 2. 5, 7, difference it is 2. Purely definition based question. If you are good in perfect square, perfect numbers, you can easily say that answer should contain 6. Twin primes means twin primes are said to be a set of prime numbers with a difference of 2. 3, 5, 5, 7. Difference it is 2. 50th. Very easy question, but only thing is you need to know the definition of a perfect number. You need to know the definition of a perfect number. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. This is clear, right? 50th question. I hope the concept it is clear. Now, if you see 49th question. 49th question. Listen carefully, sir. Each and every question I will do. 49th question. First read the question. 49th. If x is an integer satisfying the equation 9x power 2 by 3 plus 9x power minus 2 by 3 equivalent to 82. See here. How you should solve this question. Listen carefully. 49th question. Two models I will explain. 9x power 2 by 3 plus 9x power minus 2 by 3 is equivalent to 82. Is equivalent to 82. What is the question? 49th. 49th. Which value we require? Root of 12 plus 2 root x. Root of 12 plus 2 root x. Root of 12 plus 2 root x equivalent to how much? Method 1, which is very, very easy. Method 2, most of the students might have done this one in a long method. Method 1. First, I will discuss method 2. Then I will tell you Anil Nair's way of solving. Method 2. Listen carefully, sir. Method 2. How most of the students might have solved this question. 9x power 2 by 3 plus 9x power minus 2 by 3 is equivalent to 82. So this will become 9x power 2 by 3. A power minus n is 1 by a power n. It is by 2 by 3 equivalent to 82. 9 if it goes to the right hand side, x power 2 by 3 plus 1 by x power 2 by 3. It is 82 by 9. 82 by 9 is 9 plus 1 by 9. So, x power 2 by 3 it is 9. X power 2 by 3 it is 9. So, x will become 9 power 3 by 2. 9 power 3 by 2 is 3 square power 3 by 2, which is 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. So this will be, most of the students might have done like this. 12 plus 2 root of 27. 27 is 3 nines are 27. 3 plus 9 is 12. So answer is root 3 plus root 9. So answer is 3 plus root 3. Answer is 3 plus root 3. I am sure out of 100 students, 95 plus students might have done this approach. 9 to the right hand side. What is the concept we used here? A power minus n is 1 by a power n. A power 1 by minus n is 1 by a power n. So 9 goes to the right hand side. 82 by 9. 9 plus 1 by 9. X power 2 by 3, 9. So x value will be 27. So x is 27. 3 nines are 27. 3 plus 9, 12. So root 3 plus root 9. Root 9 it is 3. So answer for this question is 3 plus root 3. Answer for this question is 3 plus root 3. Definitely it is a right approach to solve, but you can still reduce the number of steps. You can reduce the number of steps. Reduction in steps. How you can reduce the number of steps? Listen carefully, sir. Reduce the number of steps. See here. Can I say that x power minus 2 by 3 is a very small value compared to x power 2 by 3? See, 2 square is 4. 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 4. 3 power 4 is 81. 3 power minus 4 is 1 by 81. A power minus n, it is a very smaller value. It is a very smaller value. So you can ignore this value. 9x power 23, it is closer to 82. So x power 2 by 3, it is closer to 9. X will be closer to 27. Are you all with me? X is closer to 27. So this is root of 12 plus 2 root 27. It is closer to root of 12 plus 2 root 25. Simple value. 2 root 25 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 12 is 22. Root of 22. Root of 22 is just less than 5. Just less than 5. 5 square is 25. Just less than 5. See here. Just less than 5. Root 3 is 1.7. 3 plus 1.7 is 4.7, which is just less than 5. This is 1.7 and it is 2.2. 3.9. Just less than 5. It cannot be. This is 2 plus 2 root 2. It is 2.8. It is just 4.7 is 4.7. Approximately it is 22.09. 47 whole square is 2209. So it cannot be. Obviously it cannot be. This is the very beautiful way of solving the question by using approximation. You can use approximation and solve this problem very, very easily. 9x power 23 equivalent to 82. Power minus is a very smaller value. Close it. 9x power 23 is closer to 82. X power 2 by 3, it is closer to 9. X is closer to 27. Root 27 is closer to root 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 12, 22. Answer on squaring, it should be closer to 22. 47 whole square is 2209. 4.7 whole square is 22.09. Idea is not in the question. Idea is learning this approach of how to optimize it. Learning this approach of how to optimize it. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Unnecessarily, wherever you can always approximate the values and you can do it. 49th question clear, right? I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly, if you see the 46th question. Sir, can I approximate this value? Try to see the 46th question. Read the 46th question. If the sum of the fraction 12 1 by 3 and 10 5 by 6, it is x. X is 12 1 by 3 and 10 5 by 6. Y is 7 2 by 3 and 1 4 by 7. 7 2 by 3 and 1 4 by 7. What is the difference in x minus y? What is the difference in the values of x minus y? What is x value? X is 12 1 by 3 plus 10 5 by 6. What is y value? Y value is 7 2 by 3 7 2 by 3 plus 1 4 by 7. 7 2 by 3 plus 1 4 by 7. Just by looking at a question itself, you can say x minus y. Approximation if I use, assume if it is not there. If these fractions are not there. If it is not there, what will be value? X is 12 plus 10, 22. What is y? 7 plus 1, 8. 22 minus 8, 14. If 12, 10, 7 and 1 are there, 12 plus 10, 22. 7 plus 1, 8. 22 and 8, it is 14. But it is 12 plus a positive value. 7 plus positive value. Answer is less than 14. Just to
I am Nikhil Kumar Saha. I got AIR 1 in GATE Mechanical 2022. I was enrolled in ACE online test series program. So test series, whether it would be subject wise, topic wise or full length test, it helped me to improve my numerical solving skills in all the domain of the subjects that are included in mechanical. It helped me to cope up with the new numerical type of problems which normally students face difficulty in solving in first go. So it helped me to cope up with this type of numericals, and also I got to know through different multiple choice questions, multiple select questions which are now in the GATE Mechanical they have introduced. So I got very good quality questions, so it helped me in preparation a lot. I am Nikhil Kumar Saha. I got AIR 1 in GATE Mechanical 2022. I was enrolled in ACE online test series program. So test series, whether it would be subject.
I hope it is clear. There was a 1 minute technical issue. That is the reason we played the ad. So I am not a teacher who plays any marketing ad in between. There was some kind of internet disruptions. So we switched from one service provider to another service provider. Let us continue with this one. I hope the idea in the 46th question is clear. More than the question, the way you should solve is what you should learn from Anil Nair. This is how I will solve this question. In fact, there is also one more question. Similar question that also can be solved by using these answer option elimination approach. See here. See the fifth question. Fifth question. Read the fifth question. There is a function Tn equivalent to Tn minus 1. These are very, very good equations. Tn equivalent to Tn minus 1 plus Tn minus 2. Tn equivalent to Tn minus 1 plus Tn minus 2. T1 equivalent to T2 equivalent to 1. T1 equivalent to 1. T2 equivalent to 1. What is the question? Question that is asked is T1 to T10. Question that is asked is T1 to T10. T1 plus T2 plus and so on up to T10. I will again come back to this question. T1, T2 and so on up to 10. Most of the students, the biggest mistake they will do is they will start using some stupid approaches and waste their time. They will say that it is a difficult question. It involves a lot of calculation, right? Tn equivalent to Tn minus 1 plus Tn minus 2. T1 equivalent to 1, T2 equivalent to 1. First value it is 1. T1 it is 1. So T2 it is 1. T3 is T2 plus T1. 1 plus 1, 2. T4 is T3 plus T2. T4 is 3. T5 it is 2 plus 3, 5. T6 it is 5 plus 3, 8. T7 it is 13. T8 it is 21. T9 it is 34. T10 it is 55, 34. They will add all these values. Unnecessarily, please do not use this approach. We do not recommend this approach to you if it comes in your examination. This is a wrong way of solving a question. T1 plus T2 and so on up to T10, right? Do not substitute any of these values. T1, 1, T2, 1, T3 is T2 plus T1. Please do not use this approach. Now see here. Method 2. Method 2. Listen carefully, sir. How beautifully you can solve this question in 5 seconds time. How beautifully we can solve. Method 2. Listen carefully, sir. Tn equivalent to Tn minus 1 plus Tn minus 2. Now, what are the options given? Let me read these options. Options are T11 plus 4, T12 minus 1, T12 plus 1 and T1 plus T11. Now see here. Let me write down the options. Right? Options are T11 plus 4. That is the reason I said you should go through the answer options. T12 minus 1, T12 plus 1, T12 plus 1 and it is none of these. Listen carefully. Any other answer options. How I solved this question is, it is ending with 10. Options are 11 and 12. Options are 11 and 12. If it is ending with 3, let me see what is happening. T1 plus T2 plus T3. T1 it is 1. T2 it is 1. T3 it is 2. 1 plus 1 plus 2 it is 4. First option, if it is ending with T10, first option it is T11. If it is T3, this will be T4 plus 4. This will be T5 minus 1. It is T5 plus 1 and it is T5 plus none of these. Now see here. So it is 4. T4 will be 1 plus 2, it is 3. 3 plus 4, 7. It cannot be, right? Next, T5 it will be 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Yes, it is matching. 5 plus 1, it is 6. Not matching. So T5 minus 1 for this question. For this question, it is T12 minus 1. Are you all with me? How easily we can solve this question? What is this concept? If the question contains variables, if the question contains variables, if the answer also contains variables, if the answer also contains variables, what is this approach? Optimization, reducing, understanding the behavior of the question and reducing the number of steps. Each and every question, whatever I am discussing, what you need to learn is the optimized way of solving a question. Tn is Tn minus 1 plus Tn minus 2. This is one way to solve, where you are finding T1, T2, T3, T4, T10 and substituting and finding it. Another way to solve is, options are T11, T12, T12. It is ending with T10. So if it is ending with T3, this is 1 more than T1 plus 4. This is 2 more than, so it is T5 minus 1. Very simple approach. Very, very simple approach. Actually, this is a very famous series, sir. I will spend 5 minutes on this question. This is a very famous series. Listen carefully, sir. This series is called the Fibonacci series. Any student who is an engineering student, probably in the first year, he might have done the programs based on Fibonacci series. What do you mean by Fibonacci series? What do you mean by Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series goes like this. Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series? Every value is the sum of the previous two values. Fn equivalent to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. N is greater than or equivalent to 3. N is greater than or equivalent to 3. This is called the very famous Fibonacci series. The next value is the sum of the previous two values. In case if you are solving any probability related questions, PNC related questions, this is an extremely important concept, sir. I will spend 5 minutes on this one. Suppose question is, a person can take 1 or 2 steps at a time. A person can take 1 or 2 steps at a time. A person can take 1 or 2 steps at a time. He can take only a step, which is either 1 step or 2 steps at a time. In how many ways? In how many ways can he take? In how many ways can he take 10 steps at a time? In how many ways can he take 10 steps at a time? In how many ways can he take 10 steps at a time? Listen carefully, sir. In how many ways can he take 10 steps at a time? A person can take 1 or 2 steps at a time. In how many ways can he take 10 steps at a time? Very, very good question. Most of the students will find it very difficult to solve this kind of questions. Very easy question. A person can take 1 or 2 steps at a time. Either he can take 1 step at a time, or if he is taking 2 steps, he can take 1 plus 1, or he can take 2 steps at a time. Are you all with me? 1 step he can take only using 1 step. 2 steps means either 1 plus 1 or 2. He can take, suppose I am taking a step of length 1 unit, step of length 2 units means 1 plus 1 or 2. If I want to take 3 steps, how many ways I can do? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Are you all with me? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Or he can do 1 plus 2. Or he can do 2 plus 1. So here there is 1 way. Here there is 2 ways. Here there is 3 ways. 1 way, 2 ways, 3 ways. What is this one? Right? Suppose if it is 4 steps. 4 steps means how I will do? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Again, it is 2 plus 2. 1 plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1. Are you all with me? You don't need to count it. Here it is 1 way. Here it is 2 ways. 3 is 1 plus 2, 3. Again 3 plus 2 it is 5 ways. Are you all with me? The series is like this. 1, 2. Next is 2 plus 1, 3. Next is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 13, 34. 34 plus 21, 55. 55 plus 34, 81. Totally, how many steps we require? 10 steps we require. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? 84. That is the beautiful combinations of using Fibonacci series, because there is a question. There is a question based on, right? Fibonacci series, we used it. I hope the question is clear. Anil Nair is there. He can take one step at a time, or he can take two steps at a time. Either I can take one step or two steps at a time. One step can be taken by using one step only. Two steps means 1 plus 1 or 2. Three steps means 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, or 1 plus 2, or 2 plus 1. Four steps means these are the combinations. 1, 2, 3, 5. Next is 5 plus 3, 8. Are you all with me? 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 13, 34. 34 plus 21, 55. 55 plus 34, 89. Answer is 89. I hope the idea it is clear. Now see here. Another one. Same in probability, right? You can apply these concept. A coin is tossed 6 times. A coin is tossed 6 times. A coin is there. It is tossed 6 times. How many ways exist? How many ways exist such that? How many ways exist such that no two consecutive heads appear? Such that no two consecutive heads appear. No two consecutive heads appear. Most of the students will find it a difficulty in case if any question comes from probability. There are die-based questions, there are coin-based questions, there are pack of cards-based questions, and counting-based questions, alphabet arrangement-based questions. Now see this question. A coin is tossed 6 times. There is a coin which I tossed, right, 6 times. Forget about 6 times. If I toss it once, either I will get head or I will get a tail. If I toss it once, either I will get head or tail. If I toss it twice, what are the cases I will get? Head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. If I toss it twice, how many cases I will get? Head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. Listen carefully, sir. Listen very carefully. Listen carefully. What is the question? How many ways exist such that no two consecutive heads appear? No two consecutive heads. Two consecutive heads should not come. How many ways are there? 3 ways are there. Here it is 2 ways. Here it is 3 ways. First it is 2. Next it is 3. Next it will be 2 plus 3, 5. Are you all with me? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. So it is tossed 6 times. What will be the answer? 1 time, twice time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. What will be the answer? How many ways exist such that no two consecutive heads appear? Answer will be 21. Very beautiful way of solving by using Fibonacci series. By using Fibonacci series. I hope the question is clear. By using Fibonacci series, you can solve some very complicated questions very, very easily. From where these concept came? Why? Because there is a question of Fibonacci series that is asked in the question. Fibonacci series. Instead of Fn, it is Tn. I hope the concept behind the question is also clear to you. The concept behind the question is also clear to you. I hope the idea it is clear. So what we are doing is, we are looking at the question and we are trying to learn the concepts with respect to it. This question can be solved by using answer option. This question can be solved using answer option. Now see here. See this question. Cube the root of minus 2197 cube root of minus 125 divided by, right, cube root of 27 by 252 plus 2 by 3. Method 1. Every question I will teach you two methods, sir. This is method 1 and then we will do method 2. Method 1 and method 2. Method 1. This is a simple question based on BODMAS rule. This is the simple question based on BODMAS rule. First, whatever is there in the bracket, first that bracket should be solved, then you should get into division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. What is there? Cube root of minus 217. Cube root of minus 2197. You need to be good in cube roots. It is minus 13. It is minus 13. It is cube root of minus 125. 5 cube is 125. Minus is there. So it is minus 5. So this will become minus 13 into minus 5 divided by cube root of 27 by 512. 3 by 8 whole cube. 3 cube is 27. 8 cube is 512 plus 2 by 3. Plus 2 by 3. So this will be 65 into 8 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. I hope the idea it is clear. So 65 8s are 65 can be written as 60 plus 5 into 8. So 480 plus 40, 522. So these 40, it is 520, 522 by 3. 522 by 3. So 174. This is the one way to solve. This is one way to solve. Answer for this question is 174. Answer for this question is 174. Everybody will solve like this. But what I am saying is, that is the reason this strategy session I am conducting. Whenever you get these kind of questions, do not only read the question, but also read the answer options. Here itself it is minus 13 into minus 5. 65. 65 divided by, this is a smaller value. Cube root of 131. 5 cube is 121. Cube, this is 65. 65 divided by some positive value which is greater than 1. Yes or no? 65 divided by 3 by 8. 65 into 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is greater than 1. Answer has to be greater than 65. This cannot be. 7 by 3. It cannot be. 12 into cube root of 3. Smaller value. You don't need to do. If you just write down here 65 into 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is greater than 1. Answer has to be greater than 65. Answer has to be greater than 65. So answer for this question is 174. Answer for this question is 174. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. 174. Idea it is clear. Not only read the question, but also read the answer options. That is what I am trying to say you as many times. 47th question. This is an easy question. If the digit in the units place, it is x. If the digit in the units place of a perfect square. What is the concept related to perfect square? A perfect square never ends with. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It will never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. That is the concept. So which all numbers it will end with? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Any unit digit of a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So it ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So 6 plus 9, 15, 20, 24, 25. Answer for this question is 47th question. Purely concept based question. If you are comfortable in perfect square related question, you can solve this question very easily. Any perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Any perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. I hope it is clear. So 47th question, concept we discussed. 46th question, how to optimize, that also we discussed. Now see here. Let us see some other good questions. Now see here. Any other easy questions are there? Now first one, if you see the first one, read the first question. Second question, the ratio of a principal and the total amount at an R percentage simple interest on that principal after 1 year is A is to B. Amount is to principal. Amount is to principal. It is given by A is to B. Amount is to principal is given by A is to B. What is he asking? What is R percentage? What is R percentage? What is R percentage? R percentage is given by interest on principal. R percentage is given by interest on principal into 100. R is the rate of interest. Rate of interest is always given by interest on principal into 100. Interest is amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. First it is, the is given as, the is principal and it is amount. Reverse is given. Principal is to amount. So here it is simple. B minus A by A into 100. Just by looking at the question itself, you will get the answer. Rate of interest is given by interest on principal. What is the definition of interest? Amount minus principal. So B minus A by A into 100. B minus A by A into 100. These also you don't need to see. These also you don't need to see. Listen carefully. Simple hint. Hint in the question. Rate of interest is always given by interest on principal. Denominator should be principal. Denominator should be principal. Denominator should be principal. Denominator should have A. Denominator should have A. It does not have A. It has A and B. It has B and A. You don't need to do anything. Answer for this question is 1. This is a 5 seconds problem. Again a definition based question. Rate of interest is always given by interest on principal into 100. Rate of interest is always given by interest on principal into 100. Principal it is A. So denominator should have A. The only option A it is present. It is the first option. That is exactly why I keep on telling to you, whenever you are solving problems, not only read the questions, but also read the answer options. But also read the answer option. I hope the concept it is clear, right? Not only read the questions, but also read the answer option. Second one, idea it is clear. Second one, idea it is clear. Now if you see the third one I wanted to spend some time. Third one, let me create a new slide. Till here, any doubts are there? Please ask me. I am not interested in solving it in a traditional method. Let me solve third and fourth. Let me go through the comments. If any comments are there, I will reply it. Let me have a look. Let me have a look at the comments. Let me have a look at the comments. Right? I hope it is clear. Next one. Read the third question. Please read the, let us solve third question as well as fourth question. Third one as well as fourth question. Arithmetic based questions. Unique approaches I will discuss in the class. Please read the third question. Question. A person invested 18,000 at the rate of 20% compound interest per annum, then the interest he gets after completing the duration of 2 years. After completing the duration of 2 years. A person invested 18,000 rupees. 18,000 rupees with a rate of interest 20%. Rate of interest 20%. What is the compound interest after 2 years? What is the compound interest after 2 years? Listen carefully, sir. What is the compound interest after 2 years? P is 18,000, R is 20 percentage, CI for 2 years. This question can be solved in multiple methods. Method 1. How most of the students will solve, how you should solve if it is the examination question. P is 18,000, R is 20 percentage, CI for 2 years. Whenever you are determining the compound ratio for 2 years, there is a concept of golden ratio. What is the golden ratio? To calculate the compound interest for 2 years, that is 2:1. Golden ratio, it is 2:1. So how to calculate? Principal, how much it is given? 18,000. R is given how much? 20 percentage. 10 percentage of 18,000 is 1,800. 20 percentage, it is 3,600. 10 percentage of 3,600 is 360. 20 percentage, it is 720. So answer for this question is 2 into 3,600 plus 720. So answer for this question is 7920. Simple concept of golden ratio will give you the answer. P is 18,000, R is 20 percentage, CI for 2 years. How to find out the compound interest for 2 years? By using these golden ratio concept. What is the golden ratio concept? 2:1. Principal is 18,000, R is 20 percentage. 20 percentage of 18,000. 10 percentage of 18,000 is 1,800, 20 percentage 3,600. Again 10 percentage 360, 20 percentage 720. 2 into 3,600 plus 1 into 720. Answer is 7920. Answer is 7920. Answer is 7920. Answer is 7920. I hope the idea it is clear. Right. Multiple ways I will solve. This is method 1. This is method 1. This is method 2. Listen carefully. Method 2. Right. Use A plus B plus AB by 100 percentage. A plus B plus AB by 100 percentage. First year 20. Second year 20. 20 plus 20 plus 20 into 20. 400 by 100. So these, for overall it is first year 20, second year 20. First year 20 percentage, second year 20 percentage. Overall it is 44 percentage. So on 18,000, 44 percentage. Please don't do anything. 44 percentage. Use the rightmost non-zero digit. 8 4s are 32. Answer rightmost non-zero digit. Answer rightmost non-zero digit. It has to be 2. Answer rightmost non-zero digit. It has to be 2. It cannot be, it cannot be. It cannot be, it cannot be. So 2 options, directly I eliminated. 20 percentage, 2 years. It is A plus B plus AB by 100. 20 percentage, 2 years it is. 20 plus 20 plus 20 into 20 by 100. 44 percentage. On 18,000, 44 percentage. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 44 is divisible by 11. 44, it is divisible by 11. 44, it is divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. 44 should be divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. 0 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6 minus 3, not divisible. Just without even doing calculation, you got the answer as 7920. There is another way to solve. Method 3, approximation. Method 3, approximation. These also will give you the answer very, very fast. Method 3, approximation. Method 3, approximation. Question is given as, can I say CI is always greater than SI? After first year, in case of first year, simple interest and compound interest are same. In case of first year, simple interest and compound interest are same. From second year onwards, CI is greater than SI. If it is SI, how much it will be? First year 20, second year 20. 40% of 18,000. It is 10% is 1800. 40% is 7,200. Answer should be greater than 7,200. Answer should be greater than 7,200. Only one option is greater than 7,200. Are you all with me? 7920, this is the answer. 7920, it is the answer. Simple way of solving the question, sir. Very simplistic way of solving the question. I hope method 1 it is clear. This is the golden ratio concept. Method 2, it is the successive percentage concept. Method 2, this is the successive percentage concept. Method 3, this is the approximation concept. Question given is compound interest for 2 years. Compound interest for 2 years. Compound interest is anyway greater than simple interest. So answer should be greater than 40% of 18,000, which is 7,200. Answer it is 7920. I hope the idea it is clear. Let us do fourth question. Fourth question, this is many students said that it is a difficult question. Let me make it into an 5 seconds approach. Fourth question, please read the fourth question. Read once the fourth question. Idea is to tell you better way of solving these questions, smarter way of solving this question. Fourth question, read the question. A building of initial value of, first read the question. A building of initial value of 31,25,000 depreciates in its value every year at the rate of 4% on its value at the beginning of the year. If X is the value of the building at the end of the 3 years, so there is an initial value 31,25,000. It depreciates with 4% every year. X is the value for 3 years. Initial value is 31,25,000. First year 4% down, second year 4% down, third year 4% down. It depreciates at the end of 3 years. Y is the value, it is 32 lakhs. It increases at 5% every year. It increases at 5% every year. See here, fourth one. 4%. X minus Y we require. X minus Y we require. X initial value is 31,25,000. 31,25,000. This is R percentage is 4% down. 4% down. So this will be 4 by 100 is 1 by 25 down. 1 by 25 means in first year 25 becomes 24. Second year, 25 becomes 24. Third year, 25 becomes 24. So this will be, this is equivalent to 31,25,000. This value we have to determine. This value we have to determine. Little complicated. Similarly, Y how much is the initial value given? 32 lakhs. Most of the students will solve it like this. 32 lakhs, it is 5% up. It is 1 by 20 up. 20 is becoming 21. 20 is becoming 21. 20 is becoming 21. This value is given as 32 lakhs. This Y we have to determine. Please do not use this approach in the examination hall. If you are solving like this, it takes a lot of time. This is the traditional way to solve the problem. This should not be used in your examination. This should not be used in your examination. I hope the point is clear. Then how to use? See here, sir. First read the question. One building, it is 31,25,000. It is 4% minus for how many years? 3 years. What is the next one? It is 32 lakhs. 32 lakhs. It is every year 5% up. How many years? 3 years. How many years? 3 years. Right. So both approximated to 30 lakhs. If both are approximated to 30 lakhs, first year 4% down, right? 4% down. In the left hand side 4% down. In the right hand side 5% up. 4% down, 5% up. Deviation is 9%. 9% how many years? 3 years. 4% down, 5% up. 4% down, 5 up. Change is 9%. 9% 3 years is closer to 27%. Again approximated to 30%. 30% of 30 lakhs is, answer should be closer to 9 lakhs. Answer should be closer to 9 lakhs. This is not closer to 9 lakhs. Are you all with me? This is not closer to 9 lakhs. This is not closer to 9 lakhs. Answer for this question is 9,39,600. Answer it is 9,39,600. Again I am saying this is closer to 30 lakhs. This is also closer to 30 lakhs. First it is decreased by 4%. The same simultaneously. Another case, it is increased by 5%. 5% increase, 4% decrease. Change is how much? 9%. 9% 1 year. For 3 years, how much it is? 27%. All the answer options are away from each other. 30%. So 27%, make it into 30%. 30% of 30 lakhs. 30% of 30 lakhs. How much it is? 9 lakhs. Only one option which is closer to 9 lakhs is option 2. I hope you have understood it. Good number of problems can be solved by using approximation technique. The fundamental rule which I said is, whenever you are reading the question, not only read the question, but also read the answer options. Any comments are there? I hope you enjoyed these beautiful way of solving the question. Any comments are there? Please ask me. Please ask me. In case if you have any comments are there. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Next one. Third question, fourth question. Every question analyze some better ways of solving the question. See the sixth question. Read the sixth question. This sixth question. Certain amount. There is an amount, it seems X. What has happened to this X? It is distributed to 3 persons A, B and C. Okay. Money is distributed to 3 people A, B and C. A gets 25% share of X. Total money, A gets 25%. A gets 25%. Twice the difference of B and C. B and C difference twice. It is equivalent to share on A. A has to satisfy 2 conditions. A has to satisfy 2 conditions. What are the 2 conditions? A gets a share which is 1/4 of the total share. A gets a share which is equivalent to 1/4 of the total share. The difference between B and C, that should be twice the, on doubling I will get A. So total share it is 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. 16, 1/4 it is 4. That should be given to A. It is satisfying. First step clear. Second step, right? The difference between B and C, 7, 5 and 5 it is 2. 2 times it is 4. So it is also satisfying. Option number 2 is satisfying, right? The condition. So answer for this question is 2. So good number of ratio based questions. Good number of ratio based questions can be solved by using these answer options. Good number of ratio based questions can be solved by using these answer options. If you see, this question can be solved by using answer option. This question also can be solved by using answer options. By using answer options. Now see here. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, if you observe carefully here, right, are there any other? Okay. See the 16th question. 16th question. Read the question. 22.5% increase. 22.5% increase. 22.5 is 45 by 2 into percentage is 1 by 100. This is 9 by 40 increase. 9 by 40 increase. 9 by 40 means change by initial value. Always percentage increase is given by change by initial value. Change by initial value. On 40, how much is the increase? 9 increase. On 49 increase, what will be the value? 49. 49 is becoming 98. 22.5%, which is 45 by 200, which is 9 by 40. On 49 increase, which is 49. 49 is becoming 98. 22.5 decrease. On 49 decrease, 31 will become how much? 49 2s are 98. 31 2s are 62. 31 2s are 62. Again, I am explaining. 22.5% increase. 22.5 is 45 by 200, which is 9 by 40. On 49 increase. On 49 increase. 49 is becoming 98. 49 is becoming 98. 49 2s are 98. 31 will become 31 2s are 62. 31 2s are 62. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the concept it is clear. 49 is becoming 98 into 2. 31 2s are 62. Wherever 62 it is there, that itself is the answer. 62 it is there, that itself is the answer. Now, if you see, 20th is based on clocks. 19th is based on clocks. Any calendar questions are there? 27th is based on calendars. 27th is based on calendars. Let me solve questions based on calendars and clocks. Calendars. First I will write down the concept. Calendars, I will do it here. Clocks, I will do it here. Calendar and clocks. Calendar and clocks. Calendar. Listen carefully to the calendar based problem. Calendar. See here. Most important concept is repetition of a calendar. Most important concept is repetition of a calendar. Very important concept, which is repetition of a calendar. Repetition of a calendar. Now, if you see here, an year can be of two types. It can be non-leap year, it can be non-leap year, or it can be a leap year. A non-leap year or it can be a leap year. Simple concept, you will get these questions in seconds, sir. Right? When will be the year repetition will happen? Repetition of a calendar. Any year, right? It can be either a leap year or a non-leap year. And leap year and a non-leap year. First point, key points. First we will write down that key points. First key point. If the given year is a leap year, if the given year is a leap year, answer will also be a leap year. The calendar will repeat for a leap year. If the given year, if the question is a leap year, answer will be a leap year. If the question is a leap year, answer will be a leap year. If the question is a non-leap year, if the question is a non-leap year, answer will also be a non-leap year. Answer will also be a non-leap year. Is the idea clear? If the given year is a leap year, answer will be a leap year. If the given year is a non-leap year, answer will be a non-leap year. If it is a non-leap year, please do not use odd days concept. If it is a non-leap year, when divided by, it is not divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 4, right? Then it is a leap year if it is a non-century. A non-leap year is an year which is never divisible by 4. If it is not divisible by 4, it gives a remainder 1, or it gives a remainder 2, or it gives a remainder 3. If it is a non-leap year, it gives a remainder 1, it gives a remainder 2, or it gives a remainder 3. If it gives a remainder 1, then it repeats after 6 years. Calendar repetition will happen after 6 years. If it is 2 and 3, it repeats after 11 years. It repeats after 11 years. It repeats after 11 years. I hope the idea it is clear. So the year can be either a non-leap year or it can be a leap year. If it is a leap year, calendar will repeat itself. We will discuss that one. If it is a non-leap year is an year which is never divisible by 4, which is never divisible by 4. It gives a remainder 1, it gives a remainder 2, it gives a remainder 3. Remainder 1, it is 6 years. 2 or 3, it is 11 years. If it is a leap year, it repeats after 28 years. After 28 years. After 28 years, there is an exception which I will discuss in the next class. It can repeat after 12 years or 40 years. It can repeat after 12 years or 40 years. If the given year is a non-leap year, it is never divisible by 4. Remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3. Remainder 1, the calendar will repeat itself after 6 years. Remainder 2, remainder 3, calendar will repeat itself after 11 years. Leap year, it is 28 years. In some cases, it is 12 years or 40 years. In a calendar's extra session, we will discuss in detail. Now let us see this question. After 2022, listen carefully, 2022, 22 it is 5 into 4 plus 2. 22 it is 4 into 5 plus 2. 4k plus 2 form. 4k plus 2 form. 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2 means calendar will repeat after how many years? 11 years it will repeat. 2022 plus 11, 2033. By looking at a question itself, you can tell that answer for this question is 11 years. Answer for this question is after 11 years. 2022 plus 11. Answer for this question is 2033. Idea clear? Or you can easily eliminate answer option. This is a non-leap year. 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 If the given year is a non-leap year, answer also will be a non-leap year. 32 it is divisible by 4. Not possible. 28 it is divisible by 4. Not possible. After 2022, right? 2026. Can it be, sir? There has to be 7 days difference. 2022. It is a non-leap year, extra 1 day. 23, non-leap year, extra 1 day. 24, leap year. 25, it is 1. Sum is not 7. It cannot be. Just a 5 seconds problem, right? Always remember, if the given year is a non-leap year, it gives a remainder 1. It is plus 6 years. It gives a remainder 2 or 3. It is plus 11 years. If the given year is a leap year, then it will repeat after 28 years. In some cases, it is 12 years or 40 years. I hope the concept it is clear. Now, let me solve. Clocks also 2 questions are there. Clocks. See here. Speed equivalent to distance by time. Speed equivalent to distance by time. Speed equivalent to distance by time. Now see here. Listen carefully. Speed of our hand. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. 1 hour, there are 5 divisions. 1 hour, there are 5 divisions. So this will be 1 by 12 division per minute. 1 by 12 division per minute. Speed equivalent to distance by time. speed of minute hand, it will be total 60 minutes are there and there are 60 divisions. 60 minutes, 60 divisions. It will be 1 division per minute. It is 1 division per minute. These are the speeds of hour hand and minute hand. These are the speeds of hour hand and minute hand. So speed ratio will be 1 by 12 is to 1. It will be 1 is to 12. 1 is to 12. That means what is the difference? 11. What is the difference? 11. Read that question, calendar question, where it is. Now see here. Calendar question. If M and N are the number of rotations of hour hand and minute hand in 72 hours, in 12 hours, the number of rotations difference is 11 times. In 72 hours, how much it is? In 72 hours, how much it is? Answer is 66 times. In 72 hours, how much it is? In 12 hours, what is the difference we got? 11 times. In 72 hours, answer should be a multiple of 11. 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 Next one, 19th question. At what time, right? Between 7 and 8 o'clock. Between 7 and 8 o'clock. That means our hand is at the same. Minute hand is coming from here. When it is 5 minutes behind, when it is 5 minutes behind, our hand is at 7 o'clock. Our hand is at 7 o'clock. That means totally how many divisions completed? 35 divisions completed. That means it is 5 minutes behind. 5 minutes behind means it has to be less than 35. It has to be less than 35. It is over. Whenever these kind of questions are there, whenever these kind of questions are there, right, the sum should be, the time will be of the form m by n, right, or m a b by c. A plus b should be a multiple of 10. In clock related problems we will discuss. A plus b should be divisible by 10. 32 plus 8, 40. 31 plus 3, 34, not possible. 30 plus 2, 32, not possible. This is not possible, this is not possible. Third also not possible. So what is the answer for this question? Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Is the idea clear? This is not possible, this is not possible. So answer has to be right, 32, 8 by 11. Almost all the questions, if you observe, they are all the questions which can be solved very, very easily. Let us see 15th question and 17th question. Only thing should be, you should be good in concepts. A alone can do a work in 10 days, B alone can do a work in 15 days, A and B complete the work. With the help of C, they complete the work in 5 days. A alone can do the work in 10 days. A alone can do the work in 10 days. That means in 1 day, how much work he will do? 1/10 work he will do. B alone can do the work in 15 days. If B alone can do the work in 15 days, B in 1 day, how much he will do? 1 by 15. They are working with C for 5 days. A works for 5 days. That means A will complete half the work. Half the work. B will complete 1/3 of the work. B will complete 1/3 of the work. So C will get 1/6 of the amount. C will get 1/6 of the amount. Amount people get is equivalent to the work done. So A can complete a work in 10 days. In 1 day, how much he will do? 1 by 10. He works with C for 5 days. So A will do half of the work. If A gets half of the work, he should get half of the amount. B is working 1/3. So he will get 1/3 of the amount. So 1/3 of the amount. Right? Then the amount paid to C. Amount paid to C is, right, 1/6 of the total amount. 1/6 of the total amount. If you see 1/3 of the amount paid to B. P, how much it is paid? 1/3. So 1/3 of 1/3 is 1/9. Not possible. Equal to the amount paid. C and B will never get equal amount. C and B will never get. Half of the amount paid to A. Half of 1/2, 1/4. So answer for this question is 1/3 of the amount paid to A. 1/3 of the amount. 1/3 of 1/2, it is 1/6. Very easy question. No huge mathematical skills required to solve the question. 17th question. Read the 17th question. A man started 10 minutes late from his home to office. 10 minutes late he started his time. He traveled at a speed of 1/4 times of his usual speed and reached his office in time. See, time he started late. If he started late, that means he has to increase the speed. Because he started from home at 10 minutes late, he increased his speed. Very easy conceptual question. Speed equivalent to distance by time. Distance equivalent to speed into time. Distance equivalent to speed into time. Now see here. Speed, what he did? Speed he increased. 1/4 is 5/4. Speed and time are inversely proportional to each other. Speed and time are inversely proportional. If speed is 5/4, time will become 4/5. Time will become 4/5. If speed is 5/4, time will become 4/5. 4/5 means instead of 5 minutes, he traveled at 4 minutes. That means he is late by 1 minute. Instead of 5 minutes, he took 4 minutes. Instead of 5, because speed is increased. Instead of 5 minutes, he took 4 minutes. That means it is 1 minute. Now if you see, right? But according to the question, he is started late at 10 minutes late. 10 minutes late. I hope the idea it is clear. 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. This is a very simple inverse proportion question. This is very simple percentage change question. This is very simple. Work is given in the amount of salaries. 11th question. 11th also we can solve. 11th is an easy question. Next one. Any other easy questions are there? 11th we will solve. Lot of easy questions are there, sir. A shopkeeper sells his goods at 30% profit on cost price. If cost price is 1,000 rupees, he is selling at 30% profit. 10% of 1,000 is 100. 30% is 1,300. 1,300. One more thing he is doing it. And he is also using a balance which is weighing 20% more. Actually, it is 1,000 grams. It is showing 20% more. 20% of 1,000 is 200. 200 more is 1,200. 1,200 is becoming 1,300. How much extra? 100 on 1,200. 100 on 1,200. What will be the value? 1/12. 1/12 it is 8.33% profit. 8.33% profit. If you observe all these questions, sir, if you observe one by one, let us see. Second is an easy question. Even first question is also easy. Read the first question. A person invested an amount X at the rate of 18% simple interest. So total interest is 18% of X and an amount of Y at 12% Y. How much he received? 4,320. 4,320. Had he interchanged the amounts, 12% of X plus 18% of Y, how much it is? 4,680. 4,680. What will be the difference? Difference will be 6% of X minus Y is equivalent to, right? 4,680, it is 360. 6 should give me 6. This rightmost non-zero digit should be 6. Rightmost non-zero digit should be 6. I hope the idea it is clear. This question uses rightmost non-zero digit. Denominator should be principal. Denominator should be principal. Again, rightmost non-zero digit. Again, an approximation problem. Right? Again, an approximation problem. Again, by using answer options. Again, it is a simple understanding of the question. 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 Clock based concept oriented questions. Clock based. Even 21st also you can solve it very easily. First thing what you should do is you should read the question. 3 persons XYZ, X and Y together can do 21 by 25. That means Z will do remaining 4 units after 25. X and Y will do 21 by 25. That means Z will do 4 by 25. Y and Z will do 8 by 25. That means X will do 17 by 25. Out of 25 units, X and Y will do 21 units. That means remaining 4 units done by Z. Y and Z will do out of 25 units, 8 units. That means X will do 17 units. What is the question? How much X will receive more than Z? X is receiving 13 units more than Z. For 25 units, the amount they received is 3250. For 13 units, how much it is? 25 into 30, 130, 3 3s are 9. Again, rightmost non-zero digit should be 9. Again, rightmost non-zero digit should be 9. Rightmost non-zero digit, concept-based question, fundamentals of each and every topic. If you are like this, good number of questions we solved it just by using the answer option. I hope the concept it is clear. We will carry on with this conversation in our next live class. The entire essence of today's session is to give an idea that you should follow these basic steps while solving the question. All these things, please make a note of it. Scan the entire paper, read the question as well as the answer option. Start solving the question, which takes less time to solve, less number of steps to solve. Always start with the questions which are singular or maximum 2 lines and you are comfortable in. Follow this strategy across all the topics. You will easily clear the cutoff. IBPS PO prelims sectional wise cutoff is probably maximum it is 10 out of 30, 35, 35, 35 in a time limit of 20 minutes. Clearing greater than 9 or 10. 9 or 10 is the maximum cutoff. It's an easiest thing. You watch all the classes. In case if you enjoy this content, kindly like the video, subscribe to Yes Online channel. Click on the bell notification so that you will not miss any of the class updates. Thanks a lot. With love, faculty, Yes Online.
I am Nikhil Kumar Saha. I got AIR 1 in GATE Mechanical 2022. I was enrolled in ACE online test series program. So test series, whether it would be subject wise, topic wise or full length test, it helped me to improve my numerical solving skills in all the domain of the subjects that are included in mechanical. It helped me to cope up with the new numerical type of problems which normally students face difficulty in solving in first go. So it helped me to cope up with this type of numericals, and also I got to know through different multiple choice questions, multiple select questions which are now in the GATE Mechanical they have introduced. So I got very good quality questions, so it helped me in preparation a lot. I am Nikhil Kumar Saha. I got AIR 1 in GATE Mechanical 2022. I was enrolled in ACE online test series program. So test series, whether it would be subject wise, topic wise or full length test, it helped me to improve my numerical solving skills in all the domain of the subjects that are included in mechanical. It helped me to cope up with the new numerical type of problems which normally students face difficulty in solving in first go. So it helped me to cope up with this type of numericals, and also I got to know through different multiple choice questions, multiple select questions which are now in the gate mechanical they have introduced. So I got very good quality questions. So it helped me in preparation a lot. I am Nikhil Kumar Saha. I got AIR 1 in Gate Mechanical 2022. I was enrolled in ACE online test series program. So test series, whether it would be